Welcome to a journey that transcends our imagination, exploring the vast mysteries hidden within the deep cosmos. This is Earth Beyond. We begin right here, on this fragile blue marble suspended in the void, the only home humanity has ever known. Our nearest neighbor, the Moon, stands as a silent sentinel, reminding us that our first steps into space were just beginning. Further out, the red sands of Mars whisper ancient secrets of a time when water might have flowed across its surface. Jupiter, the king of planets, protects us with its massive gravity. Its great red spot alone could swallow our entire Earth. Saturn displays its majestic rings, a complex dance of ice and rock that has captivated astronomers for centuries of observation. At the center of it all sits the Sun, a raging inferno that provides the energy necessary for life to exist. You could fit 1 million Earths inside the Sun, yet in the cosmic scale, our star is incredibly small and average. Leaving our home system behind, we venture into the interstellar medium, where the true giants of the universe reside in silence. Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky, shines with blue intensity, dwarfing our sun with its luminosity and sheer mass. But Sirius is merely a spark compared to Pollux, an orange giant that begins to show us the scale of stars. Arcturus, a red giant, is older than our solar system, expanding outwards as it consumes its remaining fuel in slow motion. Then we meet Rigel, a blue supergiant burning with such ferocity that it will end its life in a violent explosion. Betelgeuse sits on the shoulder of Orion, a dying red supergiant that could go supernova at any moment in our timeline. If placed in our solar system, Betelgeuse would swallow everything up to Jupiter, vaporizing our Earth in a fraction of a second. VY Canis Majoris was once considered the largest, a hypergiant so vast that light takes hours to circle its circumference. UY Scuti challenges our understanding of physics, a star so large that a commercial jet would take centuries to fly around. Currently, the title belongs to Stephenson 218, a titan that makes our sun look like a single atom in comparison. Imagine a world where the sun in the sky stretches from horizon to horizon, burning with an eternal, deep crimson fire. But size is not everything. The death of these giants creates the most violent and beautiful events known as supernovae. From destruction comes creation as the remnants of dead stars form nebulas, the colorful nurseries for new stellar generations. The pillars of creation stand tall, massive structures of gas and dust where new stars are being born right this moment. When a star collapses, it may become a neutron star, packing the mass of our sun into a city-sized sphere. A single teaspoon of this material would weigh billions of tons, crushing anything that dared to come near its surface. But gravity can go further, creating black holes, regions where space and time are twisted beyond all recognition by science. Crossing the event horizon means leaving our universe forever, entering a point of no return where light cannot escape. Sagittarius A star sits at the heart of our galaxy, a supermassive black hole controlling the orbits of billions of stars. Yet even that is tiny compared to TON 618, a beast with the mass of 66 billion suns combined. Its event horizon is so large that a beam of light would take weeks to travel across its dark diameter. These monsters power quasars, the brightest objects in the universe, outshining entire galaxies with their ancient and destructive power. Zooming out further, we see our Milky Way, a spiral city of stars, gas, and dust spanning 100,000 light-years. We live in the suburbs of this galaxy, far from the chaotic center, drifting peacefully through the cosmic dark void. Our neighbor, Andromeda, is rushing towards us at incredible speeds, destined to dance with the Milky Way in the future. In 4 billion years, a collision will occur, merging two galaxies into a new elliptical giant named Milkomeda by astronomers. Together, we form the Local Group, a cluster of galaxies bound by gravity, isolated from the rest of the expanding universe. But the Local Group is just a small part of the Virgo supercluster, a massive collection of thousands of distinct galaxies. We belong to Laniakea, a supercluster of galaxies that flows like a river of light through the emptiness of space. At its center lies the Great Attractor, a gravitational anomaly pulling us and millions of other galaxies towards an unknown fate. Zooming out to the absolute limit, we see the cosmic web, the skeleton of the universe composed of dark matter filaments. Dark matter is the invisible glue that holds these structures together. Without it, the universe as we know it would fly apart. Opposing it is dark energy, a mysterious force pushing the universe to expand faster, driving galaxies away from each other forever. We can see the echo of the beginning in the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe from the Big Bang. It all started 13.8 billion years ago, a singular point of infinite density expanding to create everything we see today. Through our telescopes, we analyze the light from these ancient events, decoding the chemical history of the cosmos one spectrum at a time. Tools like the James Webb Telescope are our eyes in the dark, peering back to the dawn of the first stars. In a patch of sky the size of a grain of sand, we found thousands of galaxies, each containing billions of worlds. Among these stars, we hunt for exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant suns that might harbor liquid water and perhaps even life. The TRAPPIST-1 system offers hope, with 7 Earth-sized planets packed close together, a potential family of habitable worlds waiting for us. Proxima Centauri b lies just next door, yet reaching it would take current human technology thousands of years of travel. Future propulsion technologies like light sails or antimatter engines may one day allow us to bridge the vast gulf between stars. Yet we are met with the Fermi paradox. In a universe so vast and old, why have we not heard anyone else? Are we truly alone, or are we simply too primitive to understand the cosmic conversation happening all around us right now? Returning to our own bubble, the heliosphere protects us from deadly cosmic radiation, creating a safe harbor for life to flourish. Comets, the frozen wanderers, may have delivered the building blocks of life to Earth billions of years ago during heavy bombardment. Beyond Pluto lies the Oort cloud, a vast shell of icy debris that marks the true boundary of our solar dominance. Voyager 1 sails this dark ocean, carrying a golden record with sounds of Earth, a message in a bottle for eternity. From this distance, Earth is just a pale blue dot, a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam, fragile and precious. On that dot, complex life evolved against all odds, leading to a species capable of looking up and wondering why. Our civilization glows in the dark, a testament to our intelligence and our insatiable drive to conquer the darkness of night. We are now standing at the threshold of becoming a multi-planetary species, ensuring our survival beyond the lifespan of Earth. Space exploration provides us with a unique perspective, the overview effect, realizing that national borders are invisible from orbit. The universe is full of wonders, from diamond rain on Neptune to the crushing sulfuric acid clouds of Venus. The gold in your jewelry was forged in the violent collision of neutron stars billions of years before Earth even existed. We are made of star stuff. Every atom in our bodies was cooked in the nuclear farts of ancient, dying stars. The universe will continue to expand. Stars will fade, and eventually the cosmos will settle into a long, dark, eternal sleep. But that end is far away. For now, we live in the golden age of the universe, surrounded by light and energy. Our curiosity is the engine that drives us forward, pushing the boundaries of what is known and venturing into the unknown. Every night, astronomers around the world point their instruments at the sky, hoping to solve just one more cosmic puzzle. The next generation of explorers is already here, looking up with wonder, ready to take the next giant leap for mankind. Perhaps one day, looking at the Earth from